I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but knowing that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but knowing that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I installed the Tongits Go app you said to me earlier, but unfortunately, playing Tongits Go without any in-game purchases will not grant me 100 Go stars or equivalent to 100 loads for free.
No,
No, you can also get free Go Stars without purchasing by inviting 10 friends to download Tongits Go and receiving 100 Go Stars for free. You can also take part in daily free tournaments where you can play one game every hour. By securing the first place in these tournaments, you can easily obtain 100 Go Stars, which is equivalent to 100 load.
Can I really play Tongits Go to earn free loads and use them to purchase MLBB skins? Is that what you said is really easy?
Sure, it's easy. Tongits Go daily free tournaments with no register fee, 0 golds register fee. All you need to do is play Tongits Go game and you will have a chance to get 100 Go Stars in exchange for 100 loads.
Wow, that's great, thanks for sharing, but where can I download it?
Just go to the comment section or description in this video, then click the link.